Where do you bury your bones, Doodles? Doodles shook his head. I buried one in the very same place, he barked. But I just can't remember where. Nalimutan niya yung bone kung saan niya nilibing. So Bella and Milo decided to sing Doodles a special song to help him. Where has Doodles buried his bone? Asked me by the honeycomb. Do you know where it can be? Doodles' bone. Ay.
Huwag ka na daw mag-sing, Daddy.
Don't ask me, I got bone.
Gavin, you didn't want Daddy to sing?
Doodles want a bone. Eh, need natin mag-sing dito.
Nagsising kasi yung binabasa ni Daddy eh.
Nagsising dito. Oh. Where has Doodles buried his bone? Has that cow there all alone? Do you know where it can be?
Ah, nagsising din siya.
Doodles bone. Doodles. 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 Yung
galing mo.
Doodles. Ah, sige, sabihin mo pa isa pa. Doodles. Sige. Then continue pa natin. Diretso pa yung pag-read. Ah, sige.
Yeah.
I've got grass for my tea. Don't ask me. Don't eat grass. I want a bone. Doodles wants a bone. Hello. Sige, next. Ay, ito. Where has Doodles buried his bones? As that bird, she's flown and flown. Do you know where it can be? Doodles' bone. Sabi ng bird, don't ask me. I've got worms for my tea. You don't want worms. I want a bone. Doodles wants a bone. Say Doodles. 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 Yun. One more. One more. Doodles. Sige. Then Jake laughed when he saw Doodles. You look funny, he teased. Doodles barked and chased Jake, and they rolled together all over the floor. Off came the hat, the sunglasses, the ribbons, the clothes, the nappy. Stop that! Yelled Fizz. Tanggal na yung ano niya, yung dress niya. Oh, yung sinuot sa kanya ng mga ni Fish tsaka ni Milo. Bella and Fish went to find Judy. Jake's messed up Doodles, they told her. I didn't mean to, cried Jake. I was only playing with him anyway. Doodles, look really silly clothes. No, he didn't, said Bella. He looked beautiful, and he was good and dry and clean and everything.
May sinasabi siya ng
Jake's right, said Judy. Dogs don't need to wear clothes. Doodles isn't like you or me. Doodles is a dog. He needs to be looked after, just like a dog.
dog.
Ayun. What special thing does Doodles need?
Dog.
Please. Sandwiches. As Milo. Sandwiches. Dogs need long walks. Big bones, water, dog food, and lots of love. Said Judy. And dogs like to play. Added Jake. Nagpe-play sila. Woof! Woof! Bark Doodles. That's what I like. The end.
Tapos na. Sleep na.
Sleep na, the end na. Ano yung ginawa? Kasi dinamitan nila si Doodles ng dinagyan nila ng damit, dinagyan ng diaper, dinagyan ng yung nalagay ni mami sa dito pag nag-eat ka, bib. Tapos dinagyan pa ng hat, dinagyan ng sunglasses.
Question and answer na, Daddy.
Ganun.
QA na kayo.
Dapat ba sinusuotan yung dogs ng gano'n? Eh, sabi sa story, hindi dapat, di ba? Kasi ang gusto nila, mag-play, di ba? Kasi si Milo, binigyan si Doodles ng sandwich tsaka juice. Yun ba yung kinakain ng dog? I know, hindi yun yung kinakain ng dog. No. Ulit. Yung dog ba, dapat ang kinakain sandwich tsaka juice?
No.
No. No one sagot doon. One more. Yung dog ba ang kinakain juice and sandwich?
No, anak, no.
No one sagot. No, ganun. Hindi kumakain ang dog ng sandwich tsaka ng juice. Okay? Okay. One more question. Yung dog ba dapat ang kinakain juice tsaka no sandwich? No.
No.
Tama ba? No?
No, very good.
Galing.
Gavin, what kind of animal is Doodle?
Dog.
Dog.
Anong animal si Doodles? Ano siya?
Dog, ang galing naman makinig niyan.
Ano pa ba? Sige nga, ano yung pangalan nung dog doon sa story? Ano yung pangalan ng dog? Yung name ng dog?
Laging sinasabi ni Daddy kanina yung Doodles.
Ulitin mo. Doodles. 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 Ano pangalan ng dog? Doodles. Nagtungan mo pa ng isang Doodles. Ano pangalan ng dog? Ano yung pangalan ng dog? Doodles. Okay ka na. O, sige. Ba't mag-start tayo? Ay,